that means system software, application software. Now today let's learn about the operating system, that is also one of the software from system software. We have already known about some of the example of operating system, that is Windows, MS-DOS, Linux, Unix, etc. Now first of all, let's see what do you mean by an operating system. Operating system is the basic software that control the computer. That means the main software that you require in your system is the operating system. This operating system performs the function to interact between the system and the user. That means between you and the system there is an interface. That interface is called operating system. Only with the help of this operating system we can operate in a computer. Now first of all, let's see what are the functions of the operating system. We have four functions, that is processor management, memory management, device management and file management. That means with the help of operating system, first of all, the operating system is going to manage the processor. Your processor will be managed by the operating system. That means the processor system will keep track of the processor, that the CPU. Which task has been being used in the CPU, which task is free, and which site has been allocated. This will be allocated with the help of operating system. Next, memory management. Memory management means, in the last class you have already known that what do you mean by memory. Memory is the portions where you can save your data, so that when you save the data, the memory management will check which part of your system is free and which part of the system has been occupied. Depending upon that, the memory management will give you the area for saving more data. That will be managed by the OS. Next, the third one, that is device management. Device management means any external devices, when you connect to your system, this device management will tell to the operating system that which external data has been inserted. Like if you inserted keyboard, then it will indicate the keyboard. When you insert the mouse, then it will indicate the mouse. When you insert a pen drive, it will indicate the pen drive. This will be done with the help of device management. And the last one, file management. With the help of file management, it will going to manage the file. Suppose when you save any file in your system, that which file has been saved recently will be indicated by the file management. And when you delete the file also, it will be managed by the file management. So these four functions used to be done by the operating system. And as we have already known that some of the example of operating system are MS-DOS, Mac, Unix, OS and Windows. And recently we are using in our computer lab the Windows 7. So let's learn more about the Windows 7. Windows 7 is an operating system which has been developed by the Microsoft. So this Windows 7, as it has been developed by the Microsoft, the Windows 7 makes us very easy to use, because everything is user friendly, that is GUI, graphical user interface. It has been made with the help of GUI, graphical user interface. That's why the interface, the look of the Windows is very easy. You can easily monitor with the help of mouse. For that, first of all, let's see about the Windows 7. And in the Windows 7 we have desktop, icon, my computer, recycle bin and taskbar, which is the basic things of the Windows 7. So first of all, let's see about the desktop. Desktop is the first screen which appear on your computer when you switch on your system. That means the first screen which is available on the computer, that is called desktop. And when you see the desktop, in there you will see a small pictures. That small pictures are called icon. That picture can be of a folder, or a picture can be of a file, or it may be for an applications. But whatever the picture, the small picture which is available on the desktop is called icon. And now if you want to go to any of that folder, drive, that means in your system itself, if you want to view any of the folder and file, you can go through the My Computer. Then we can say that My Computer is an icon which provides access to all the drives and the file or folders. Next we have Recycle Bin. Recycle Bin, by the name itself we can understand that this is just like a dustbin. That means whatever you deleted, the file or folder will be stored in the recycle bin. That is just for the temporary purpose. And if you want to delete permanently, you can delete from inside the recycle bin. And the last one, that is taskbar. And taskbar is a long bar which is available at the bottom of your desktop. And in this taskbar, all the tasks will be stored. And in this bar, in the left corner, you will get a start button, and in the right corner, you will get the status of the system. That is the status of your computer. So all these things, that desktop icon, My Computer, recycle bin, and taskbar, let's learn practically. Okay, student, now let's learn about the window. We have a software here, Windows 7 operating systems. The screen of the operating system is in this manner. When you on your system, you will get this window. This window is called a desktop. This window is a desktop. Here inside this desktop you have an icon. There's small pictures which you can see on the desktop is called an icon. So these are the different icons. Actually we have only two icons when we install the software, that is My Computer and Recycle Bin. But the remaining icon you can create by yourself as you require. Recycle bin is here. And here the My Computer is replaced with this PC. And the below bar you can see here one more bar, that is called taskbar. We call this bar as a taskbar, and inside this taskbar you will get a start button. So whenever you want to start anything, you need to go to the start button and you can go to your program as your requirement. And in this taskbar you can see the tasks which are available. By default we have some of the tasks here, but we can add more here. Not only that, suppose now you are working along with the MS Word and you minimize this MS Word. You can see this minimize folder here. Now one more program you open. Let's open pen program and minimize the pen program. That means the program which you were working, when you minimize, it goes in the taskbar. For that purpose we call this long bar as a taskbar, because the work which are pending can be stored here. Not only that, the time, the details of this system can be shown here in the right corner of the desktop. This is all about the desktop. Next, let's see the window explorer here. For looking or for viewing the window explorer, you go to this PC, and this window is called Window Explorer. Inside this Window Explorer you can see division of two parts. In the other part, all the areas can be visited as your requirement, and in the other part you can see only the disks. That means which disks are available, how many disks are available. If you have any external disks, that also will be shown here, like DVD. Or if you inserted your mobile, then your mobile folder will be available here. And this can be viewed from the left corner also. Like suppose if you want to go to the desktop, you can click desktop here and you can view all the folders which are available inside the desktop. When you click document, you can see the program which are present inside the documents. And next, suppose you click C drive, then you can go to the C drive itself. Then when you click the D, then you can go inside the D, and inside the D we have lot of programs. So if you want to view inside this again, you can view. Suppose we have clicked one more folder here, then we can see some program inside this again. When you click the program, you can see one more program inside this again. manner, now let's just close the program and go to the window again, and we will try to create a folder inside this window with our own name. Now let's create a folder along with the name. Suppose let's create a folder of class 11. So right click new, then select the folder and write the name class 11. Now your folder has been created. When you click the folder, it is empty. That means nothing is available here. You can add later on. If you want to rename this class 11, that also you can rename. To rename the folder, right click, rename, and type the different name. Suppose let's type our school name. Now your folder name has been changed. So in this manner we can create our folder, we can rename our folder. Not only that, you can delete your folder also. For deletion, you select your folder, right click and click delete. In this manner you can delete your folder. Now whatever you have deleted, it will be inside the recycle bin. So let's just open the recycle bin, double click the recycle bin, and you will get lot of deletions for data or files there. What you have deleted, that is Mmwt, is available here. Alright, now if you want to delete permanently, then you select this folder and delete. Click yes. After doing this command, you can see that your folder is not available. That means you have permanently deleted. Earlier when you delete, it goes to the recycle bin. That means when you delete the first time, it is available in the system and it has been stored in the recycle bin. But when you delete from the recycle bin, it has been permanently deleted from the system. So the deleted system will not be available anymore. And suppose by mistake you have deleted some of the folder from your system. Suppose let me delete this folder. And if you want to restore the folder because you have deleted by mistake, then you can get back your folder. For that, you go to the recycle bin, then select the folder which you have deleted by mistake. Right click the folder and click restore. Now you can see that the folder is not available here, and you go to the previous place and you will find your folder has been available again. That means if you deleted by mistake, then you can get back your deleted file or folder from the recycle bin before it is permanently deleted. So in this manner we can create our folder, we can rename our folder, we can delete our folder, and we can also restore the folder. In the next class we will learn more. For today only up to this.
Stay home, stay safe, do it for yourself, do it for your family, do it for anyone.